In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the image banner clickable on Shopify. This is a great way to enhance your store's navigation and make it easier for customers to interact with your products. To get started first, head over to your Shopify admin page and select My Store from the home page. Once you're there, look for the online store option and give it a click. This will take you to where we need to make our changes. When you're in the online store section, look for a button or icon that looks like 3 dots. This often indicates more options. Click on that to reveal a drop-down menu that includes Edit Code. Go ahead and click on Edit Code to open up the code editor in Shopify. In the code editor, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in image banner and press enter. This will filter your files to show the one we need, which is image banner liquid. Click on image banner liquid to open it up. Once you have the file open, select all of the code by pressing Ctrl and A simultaneously. Now we need some new code. To do this, go to the website pastebin.com where the necessary code is already uploaded for you. Copy all of that code by highlighting it and pressing Ctrl and C, or right-clicking to select copy. Once you've copied the new code, head back to the Shopify code editor and replace the existing code with the new one you just copied by pressing Ctrl and V, or right-click and select Paste. After you've pasted the new code, it's important to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located at the top right of the editor, and click on it. With your code now saved, click the Exit button to leave the code editor. Next, click on Customize in the Shopify admin. Once the customization page loads, navigate to the image banner you wish to make clickable. Click on the banner to open the settings. In the banner settings, look for the link option. Click on it to set a link destination. Choose products to link directly to a product page. In the product selection window, choose the product you'd like visitors to land on when they click the image banner. After selecting your product, click Save to make sure all your changes are secured. Now exit the customization view. Finally, to see your work in action, click on View Your Store in the Shopify menu, which will take you to the live version of your site. Find your image banner and click on it to ensure it directs you to the correct product page. And there you have it. You've successfully made your image banner clickable in Shopify, enhancing the interactive experience for your store visitors.